just to authenticate that I'm here and I'm part of the team. September 22, vendange in Alsace. Let's do it. Got my clippers here. My little wine goblet. Here's Pierre-Yves saying, admire the countryside. The Alps over there, that direction. The Black Forest and the German border just there, after the Rhine. And behind me, more slopes, more vineyards on a slope. So when you drink this bottle of wine, guys, appreciate it, yeah?